Hi everyone, this is DIY Manual, and as I promised in the unboxing video of the Yaber V10 projector, today I'm going to do a full review of this projector. I'm going to talk about my experiences with it, what I like about it, and what I don't like about it, and also I'm going to go through all the menu settings, as well as I'm going to show you the quality of the video during daytime, when you have your lights on, and also the quality of the video when it's completely dark. So let's get started. If you have not seen the unboxing video yet, I encourage you to watch that as well, because in that video I talked about everything that you'll get in the package when you purchase this projector. I also talked about all the ports that's in the projector, as well as the remote. So this projector comes with a native resolution of 920 by 1080p. That is the highest resolution you can get right now for a projector at this price range. And also this Yaber V10 have the same spec as their Yaber V7 projector, which is currently the highest spec in the market today. So this thing can actually display 16.7 million colors. Recommended projection distance is about 6 to 9 feet. And this projector also supports 100 to 240 volt AC power. It is also very light. It's only 4 pounds in weight. So let's go turn the projector on. Right now you can hear the fan. And if you've seen my unboxing video, I also mentioned there that this projector does not come with a foot adjustment. Most of the projector that I've seen and worked on, they actually have a foot adjustment in the front, so you can prop the projector up if needed. This one doesn't come with that. It only comes with the bracket. So let me turn to the screen right now to show you what the problem will be without the ability to adjust the front of the projector. So right now, the only way you can place your projector is square flat. So when you do that, you have to either lower your screen, but my screen is already low, or you want to get a higher table or put this in a higher place in order for the image to be perfectly level to your screen. So right now, the only way I can fix this, if I have to put my projector here in this table, is I need to prop it up with a book. So let me do that right now. So by putting a book in front of the projector, I was able to level the projection image to the screen. So when you have ambient light coming in, I actually put this right there, right in front of the window. And also I have my lights on in the back. So right now I have some lights on, and you can see the image is a little washed out, but it's watchable. It's still good. You can clearly see the whole thing. So let me try to turn off the lights. So here's the projector image when the light's off. So now let me turn on the light right up there. So there's going to be 4 lights, that is 70 watts each. That's going to be on top of the screen. Okay, and right now we have all the lights on. We have the lights coming in also from the window. So the colors wash out, but it's still viewable. So let me put a cover to the window to prevent all the lights from coming in, so I can show you how the projector will look like during nighttime. Okay, so I just placed that mat to cover the lights from coming in, and let me turn the light off so you can see the difference. So that's when the light's off. Let me turn on the lights again. Turn it off. So let me turn on the light in the background. So I have a light behind me. So if I turn that on, so I can still see everything here. You can see the projector still is actually really good right here. The image is clear. But when it's completely dark, it's gonna be really good. Look at this. Lights on, lights off, overhead Overhead lights on, overhead lights off. Okay, so let me turn on the background light so I can go with the menus and stuff. So to your left, you have all the inputs available. You have the AV, VGA, HDMI, and HDMI 2. So right now I have my Fire Stick connected to HDMI 1. So if I click on that, I'll just show my Fire Stick. Okay, let's go back to home. Here you also have ability to do an iOS cast and a Miracast for your Android. For iOS cast, I was able to test an iPhone 7 as well as iPhone 12 Pro Max, and they both work great. When doing Miracast, I was able to do a Miracast with my LG G5. It's my old spare phone, but I could not do a Miracast on my kids' 2020 Moto G Power as well as my Umidi S5 Pro phone. So for Miracast, not all Android phone is supported. So with iOS Cast, I could say that it worked great for the two phones that I tested. Miracast, I was able to only do it for my one phone that I have. All the images that you see here are for your USB if you have any USB plugged in. Right now, if you look at the top right, you'll see that I have one USB plugged in. So let me do that right now. So let me show you my videos that I put in my USB. Yaber, and let me show you a sample. Okay. So for the video file, you should be able to play an AVI, MP4, MKV, FLV, MOV, 3GP, MPEG-1, MPEG-2, H.264, and XVID. So I'll put all those in the description. So if you want to know what are the supported files, just look at the description below. Now let me go back to home and let me show you the picture. For the image, I think it supports a JPEG, PNG, GIF. Those are the stuff that I tested. I don't see that in their manual. So this is a GIF file. You have the JPEG, and you have the, I think this is another GIF file. Okay, the next is the music. So, and here I'll show all the music. So for the music, it supports an AAC, MP2, MP3, PCM, and FLAC. So let me just play one of them. By the way, this camera right now is about 5 feet away in front of the projector. So let me play this and see how it sounds like. So let me move the camera right by the projector. Okay. Okay, so that's how the sound of the projector. Okay, the next one is their office suite. So let me go click on this. And if you notice here, when you click on the office suite, it actually shows all the files that I have in that folder. So I'm not sure. Instead of just showing the documents, it is also showing the pictures, the music, and the video files. So I think that's a bug in their system right now that hopefully they can fix. So here, let me show you a document. Okay. And the docx. Okay. And it's always asking you to update to the latest version. So I'm not sure about that, but I haven't been able to update. So let me go back, PDF. Okay. So go back again, PowerPoint. And with the PowerPoint, you should be able to control it using the remote control as well. So let me see. Or you can go to the top and make it collaborative documents. And you can also go to the corner and make it a full slideshow. Okay. So let's see. You can also read an Excel file. Even the latest XLSX file. So, okay, so now let us go to the menu. So the menu is actually on the top right. You see that cogwheel right there. Just click on it. Under the settings menu, you have Wi-Fi settings where you can enter your Wi-Fi information. You have the Bluetooth. So for the Bluetooth, this is actually a two-way. You can use the projector as a speaker if you want to. We'll skip the Keystone Correction for now. We'll have the projection mode. This will let you go to a different projection mode: ceiling, ceiling front, desktop rear, desktop front. You have the date. You have an option to select it to automatically adjust the date and time, and also automatic time zone. You can select that as well. You have the language. These are all the language that is supported. You have other settings that just shows you everything about the system. So this system comes with a 4-core CPU and a 2-core GPU. It has 1 GB memory, and right now it has 4.58 GB available out of 8 GB. And you can also do an upgrade using your USB. So if they ever issue an update to fix some of the bugs, you can always download it from the Yaber Tech website. So now let's go to the Keystone Correction. So under the Keystone Correction is the digital zoom. So the digital zoom actually not zooming in, but you're actually zooming out of the image. So it's making your image smaller. So let's go to that. So as I go, it makes your image smaller right here. So and I think it goes up to 50%. Okay. So let us make it a little bigger. Horizontal zoom will allow you to adjust the width of the image, and the vertical zoom will let you adjust the height of the image. So let's play with that. So right now I can go like this. That's horizontal. This is the vertical zoom. Okay. So now let's go to 4-point keystone correction to fix our image. So right now you can see on the top left is actually the control. So you can control it down or up, left, right. If you want to switch the other side, now you want to press the OK button right here. I'm not sure you can see, that's too dark. Right here on the remote, and you see that it moves to the top right, and you can make that adjustment as well. Okay, so right now let's try to move the bottom because the bottom is smaller. So, and move the other side. Okay, I think I got it squared. Okay, so that's how you use the keystone correction. What's not included in the setting is the picture and the sound mode. So in order for you to go to the sound setting and the picture settings, you need to actually go into one of your input or one of your videos. So let me go to HDMI 1 right now. So now that you are in your one of your input, you can actually go right here on your remote, right above the power button and the home button. Right here you have the menu preference button too. So if you click on that, now you'll see the picture settings. If you click on that, you can do a picture mode, and you can select vivid, soft, user, standard. And under the user mode, you can actually set your own brightness, contrast, and saturation, and as well as sharpness. So let's just put it in vivid right now. You have the display mode 16:9 or 4.3. And then you have a sound button. So if you click on the sound button, you have the sound mode, user, standard, news, music, movie. So let me go back, and you have the advanced audio. You can select the balance, and you have an advanced here as well. I'm not sure what this is, so I've never really touched it. So that is all the feature of this projector, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if it does, please make sure to help my channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.